We want you to support local. I mean, if I had a vision for your grocery habits that we could change here in Arizona, especially for the people of Queen Creek, I want you to go help the local farmers market sell out of their product before you go to the grocery store. If they haven't sold out, you haven't done your job. You need to help the local farmers markets sell out of whatever they got before you go to the grocery store. So make that a goal for you, and that's a great way to prove that your community is supporting local, is making that happen for the local growers. Go and support them. It's vital, I think, to the stability, not just of Arizona, but I think for the country, because our food supply is getting further and further away. Right now in Arizona, we got a 4-day food supply of trucking stopped. 4 days, that's it. And it's gotten worse, not better. And it's going to get even more worse if we don't find a way to really shift our habits to support local food systems. It's vital to really our stability. And part of the reason why foreign countries don't go and invade the United States, it's because we have a stable system. But if we create instability, we're going to have some other issues. We'll be vulnerable, and we don't want to be that.